Hi guys, and this is a very big storm in our neighborhood. Like, look how much it's raining. I couldn't get outside because it is really pouring, and my AirPod would probably die. And so that's why I'm doing it from inside. And by the looks of it, it's bad. And that was just a Sundle. It's really pouring. It just started a couple minutes ago. And you probably don't believe it or not. Because, like, it's raining so strong. And look at the trees up there, though. It must be windy up there. You know, shaking. And look at this window. It is really wet. And that's it, guys. Bye.